Hi guys, in today's video I'm sharing with you all my recipe for curry chicken with lauki and baigan. The other name for lauki is green squash or long squash. It's very similar to the jingi or Chinese okra. So to make this, I'm peeling off that green or that tough skin from the lauki. And we're going to cut this lauki into very small cubes. It's very easy to prepare, and you see there are very tiny soft seeds inside. Once you've cut this into small cubes, you're going to prepare the baigan or the melangen in the same way.
So let's season the chicken to make this curry chicken. So the first thing I'm going to go in with is some salt, and you want to put salt to taste. I'm going to go in with some Goya Adobo all-purpose seasoning. This really gives your food some more depth in flavor. I'm going to go in with some complete seasoning, some black pepper, some Bertie's pimento pepper sauce, or you can use fresh pimento peppers, green seasoning, next goes in some minced garlic, some chopped onions, some chopped scallions. I'm going to go in with that squash, and the squash is kind of similar to a jingi or a Chinese okra. And I like to peel that skin. I know some people like leaving the skin, and I also took the skin off of the eggplant, and there goes in that eggplant. If you like to leave the skin on the eggplant, you can. Next, give this a mix. The most regular item or vegetable that we usually put when we cook is the potato, but we want to switch things up, and this is such a great way to get vegetables or hide vegetables in your children's meals. I'm just going to go in with half of a tomato. It's going to give that acidic element to this dish. Now once you've mixed in those ingredients, you want to cover this and allow it to marinate for minimum 1 hour in your refrigerator or overnight.
To a pot on medium heat, I'm going in with my curry powder, and I'm using a mild curry powder for this. Next, I'm going to go in with a little bit of jeera or roasted cumin powder, and I'm going to toast this on low heat for about 2 minutes. You realize that I did not use any oil. Sometimes when I cook, I don't use any oil at all. Next, go in with some water and stir that water and that curry together, and we're going to allow this to cook until the water evaporates and this turns into a thick paste. Once it turns into that paste, add in your seasoned chicken and toss that chicken in that curry to coat. This chicken is going to spring its own juices, and we're also going to get some additional liquid from those vegetables. That lauki, or it's also called long squash or green squash, also contains a lot of liquid, so it's going to help put a lot of liquid in this dish. So we're going to allow this to bunge down in the pot, which simply means allow all of the liquid in there to dry out. So once it bunges down, you're going to go in with a little bit of water to help this cook. Stir it around, make sure all of the pieces are submerged in that liquid. After which you'll leave this to continue to cook until the sauce thickens and the meat itself is cooked. Once that happens, you're going to taste and adjust your salt accordingly, and then this will be ready to be served. So I hope you guys enjoyed this easy recipe, and I hope you try hiding vegetables in your children's meal. If you did, please remember to give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!